One of the very first steps you need to take when it comes to planning a trip is figuring out who owns the land and figuring out if you need a permit. onX Software makes this step super easy, and today I want to show you how.
Good morning, I'm Nate with Dirt Lifestyle, and today I want to show you how to differentiate the different types of land using onX Software. If I open up the app and I click anywhere around where I'm at right now, it'll pop up and tell me who owns the land. And before we came here, we figured out that we wanted to camp here. We were able to do a little bit of research just by clicking on it to figure out who owns this land, and this is tribal land. So with tribal land, a lot of times you have to get special permits and whatnot, and with a little bit of research, we were able to get those permits and make sure that we're completely legal before we even left the house.
In the app, onX has broke down land ownership to a few key colors to make it easy to read. Yellow is BLM, green is National Forest, and purple is National Preserve. Here in the United States, we have 985 million acres of public land, and you get access to all 50 states with premium membership. This data is absolutely paramount when trying to select a place to go off-road and explore, while also avoiding fines and making sure you're not trespassing on anybody's private property.
As I'm sure you can tell, our campsite has changed locations here in Arizona, and this is the perfect place and opportunity to talk about some special features you get with Elite membership.
Not only do you get clear and concise land ownership data with public land on Elite, but you also get the names of the owners of private land as well. When asking permission to cross private lands, knowing the names of the owners is a very valuable tool.
I really hope that you found this video useful and that this information comes in handy when you're planning your next trip to come explore cool places like this. See you on the next one.